it's Tatiana. Welcome to or back to my channel. Today I'm doing a bronzy look using the Morphe 35G Bronze Gold palette. Literally, it's so cute. This is like their newest palette. This video is like all about. It's about the eye look, and it was my first time trying this palette, and it was a struggle, but I mean it came out looking bomb, so I'm not too upset about it. So yeah, so that's what this video is about today. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get into the video. I'm gonna start off by moisturizing with the Philosophy Purity Moisturizer. I'm almost out, but I have a new one already that I could use, but I want to finish this one. I'm just moisturizing my face. And I put Vaseline lip balm on my lips to moisturize them. So I'm just gonna do my eyebrows off camera and try to fix my hair because this is just not gonna work. I'm gonna use the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Soft Brown. And I'm just gonna do what I always do. Outline them, shade them in, conceal them, call it a day. So that just takes way too long because I'm a perfectionist and I take forever to do my brows, so I'm just gonna do that off camera. So I'll be right back with my brows did. Okay, literally like 5 hours later, I put my hair in like these little clips that I got from Target because I was there and I saw them and I really needed them because I hate my hair getting in my way when I'm doing my makeup. So I just got them, and so yeah. They're just basic, but whatever. So I finally did my eyebrows, and now I'm gonna move on to my foundation. And I'm gonna be taking the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in Warm Nude, and this foundation, whoop, is just like the best, honestly. And I'm taking the Jeffree Star Morphe collab beauty sponge, and look at my face is like breaking out when I yeah, okay, these earrings are gonna be in my way. I do my eyebrows before anything because I obviously clean them up with concealer, and I sometimes just have bad eyebrow days where it literally takes me like 30 minutes just to do, or 20 minutes just to do one brow. Like that's how like literally time consuming it is, but like I'm okay with it because, you know, I love like doing makeup, and like whatever it takes, like I'm down to do. Like sometimes I'm patient, or obviously all the time I have to be patient. I do my eyebrows first because I don't want to put on my foundation and then do my eyebrows and then have to clean it up with concealer and then just have the concealer lighter than my foundation like over my foundation. You know what, it just looks, I don't like the look of it, so that's why I do it first. So for my concealer, I'm going to be taking the Born This Way concealer, and this is in the shade Nude. So this is one shade darker than the Warm Nude that I was just using for my foundation. And honestly, I really like this concealer. I like the Born This Way, but I just feel like this one is like a good match. I really do like this concealer, like almost as much as the Shape Tape concealer. Because I was using the Shape Tape for so long, I wanted to try something new, so my videos didn't get so like repetitive. I don't put it on my nose, and I don't put it on my chin and my forehead, but I do take the excess and I add it, so it's not like so much, but it's like just a little bit brightening. I'm almost out of this, and it's really making me sad, but it's the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Now I'm just gonna set my under eye. I'm gonna put it on my eyelid too, just to set the concealer on my eyelid. So now for the most exciting part of this video are the eyes. I'm gonna be taking the 35G Bronze Gold new Morphe palette. And this palette is just, oh my god, look at it. So I'm gonna take, let's see what color it is. I guess it's called Deserted, and it's this light color right there. And I'm just gonna pack that. Ooh, I'm gonna mix it with Sandy, which is right there. Whoop, yeah, right there. I'm just gonna put this on my entire eyelid. It blends nice. I like it. Oh, I'm taking the Morphe M504 brush too, by the way. So now I'm gonna take the color Naked, I guess, and that's the color right there. That really dark, warm toned, like just, oh, I really like that color. Okay. It's calling my name. So I'm gonna pack that on my brush, and I'm using the Morphe M518 brush, and I'm gonna put that, where am I gonna put it? I'm gonna put it in my crease. So now I'm gonna take the color, it's the color called Tan Up, and it's this color right there. It's like that tan, but yet like a hint of like red undertone maybe, and I'm gonna pack this on the same brush. I'm just gonna put it on my lid. Yeah, it's definitely giving me like some red vibes too, but like not too much red. It's like a maroon burgundy maybe. Okay, let's cut my crease. I'm so nervous. Okay. Oh, I've never done this before. Okay. Okay. I'm not gonna open my eyes though because I could feel it. It's still like wet. I honestly think that's the best it's gonna get, so I'm just gonna leave it at that and call it a day with that cut crease, because I don't know, that first try was just way too crazy. So now I'm excited to try the glitters. So what am I gonna go in with? This color right there, and I'm gonna put that on my inner corner. Is this just not a pigmented palette? Like, I'm sorry. And I'm gonna take the golden color, and that's this really pretty gold right there, and then pack it on my lid. My cut crease is literally like gone. It's non-existent, so I don't even know what's going on. This is just not showing up, and maybe I'm just gonna use my finger. It literally applies so much better with my finger, but it's like my nails get in the way. I'm gonna take the color Soul, and that's this color right there. I'm gonna apply that over. I'm actually gonna mix the two and just go in. I'm gonna take the Morphe Jeffree Star JS6 brush again, and I'm gonna go in. Oh, I really want to mess around with this purple color, but I don't want to mess up this makeup look because honestly, I'm just having a really bad makeup day, and that's okay. It happens to everyone. I think I'm going to take this color Heat Wave and just pack it on the outer corner. I literally want to make it more glittery, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. But I'm going to take it on my finger just because I feel like that's what applies best. I'm going to try and do this to my other eye. Wish me luck. That was like the hardest thing, honestly, I've ever really done, but I mean, it's done and I like it. So now I'm gonna be taking the Hoola bronzer stick and blend it out with the Morphe M554 brush. I'm gonna take the Marc Jacob Omega bronzer just to go over my forehead. I feel like I'm just not having a good makeup day. I'm quitting for the day. I'm just tired. Nothing is working. These freaking earrings are huge. I'm done. I literally just got so annoyed. I just like freaking packed everything up and just like walked away. Just because I feel like this makeup look is just not coming out how like I really want it to look. And so I was just gonna, sorry, that was really loud. I was just gonna finish filming it, or like refilm it tomorrow, but you know what, I'm here, it's almost done, why not just finish it? These freaking earrings are just too big right now, and I just can't. I'm just not in the mood. I'm just gonna try and fix it. I'm out of translucent powder, so I don't know how that's gonna work. Literally, makeup is like the hardest thing ever. Like, it sometimes like works in your favor, or it sometimes doesn't, and that's the worst part, is when it doesn't, because then you're like, it just gets you so annoyed because like you put so much effort into it, and then it's like, nope, not gonna do what you want me to do, and it's like so annoying. Take the Park Ave Princess by Tarte palette, and I'm going to take the Enhance and Halo and just try and make that work with what I'm trying to do. I just like took the powder on the palette, okay, and put it on my beauty sponge to try and make it work. Now I'm just going to contour my nose using this color right there on the Park Ave palette. I like to do the tip of my nose. I'm going to take this tiny little beauty sponge by the Jeffree Star collection, and I'm going to kind of like try and blend it out. I have like a bulby nose, so I try to like make it as cute as possible. I'm just gonna take this fluffy brush again and just like wipe away everything. So I'm gonna go back in with my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade, and I'm just gonna darken up my eyebrows. This is why I like doing my eyebrows before anything else, because then once I need to go back and clean it up, it's like already there. So it's like I just fill them back in basically, but like even darker. Oh my god, this was like the biggest struggle of my entire life. I don't know why. I think I just honestly need to just experiment more with this palette, because I waited so long to try it that I need to find out what like works and whatnot. I should have done that, but you know, trial and error. I'm gonna mess around with the palette even more, and then hopefully I come up with like a nice, better, I mean, I like this look. I do love the bronzy gold eyeshadow, but I need to experiment more obviously and go out of my comfort zone and just come up with a look and then perfect it and then film a YouTube video, because this was like my first time like messing with the palette. So I think that's where I went wrong. I should have messed around with it before and figured out what I was gonna do, but that's okay because it still worked out. And so now I'm gonna go on to my highlights. So I'm gonna take this brush. I believe it was from the Anastasia. I don't know, it's like literally worn away. So this is the Tarte Goddess Glow, and I'm like literally like I use this like every single day. I forgot blush. Oh my god. I'm gonna take the Tarte blush, and this is in the shade Feisty, and this is the Morphe M536 brush. Little cheeky. On the tip of my nose. Now I'm gonna go back in with the Goddess Glow and highlight. Now I'm gonna take the Becca highlighter, and this is in the shade Champagne Pop. I love this. Look at that, so pretty. Yeah, so okay, yeah, I really love this highlighter, like with all my heart. Okay, I'm gonna take this little beauty sponge and just kind of like dab it. Now I'm gonna take my Morphe setting spray and spray my face. Okay. So this is what it looks like before eyelashes. I'm gonna throw on some eyelashes right now, and I'll be right back. But before I do, I'm gonna take the Better Than Sex mascara and just put that on my eyelashes. So this is what it looks like with mascara. It looks good, but I need lashes. My eyelashes are on, and I don't hate the look. I'm actually pretty happy with how it came out. I'm just gonna take the, what is this called, like Buxom, and this is in the shade White Russian, and this is like a gloss. I'm just gonna keep it nice and simple. Literally my favorite gloss. It makes my lips tingle, oh my god. Now that I'm done with my makeup, I can finally put in my earrings. Oh no, oh my god, where's the thing? Ah! Oh my goodness, okay. Take these things out, and I am done. And that was literally such, I don't even know, like, why was that so hard? But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this dysfunctional vlog. Thanks for sticking around this long. I don't know how long this video is gonna be. I'm literally gonna go wash my face and edit it like right now. But yeah, so don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already to keep up with me and all my future videos. Don't forget to check the bio down below and follow my social media accounts and keep up with me in my life. And again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! So, thanks you- oh my god.